everybody, it's another time for diction and it's with Teacher Didier. Today we will be learning two vowel sounds. So at the end of this lesson, I expect you to know how to pronounce these sounds, mention examples of words with the sounds, and you should be able to apply these words in sentences. So our first sound for today is a short vowel sound. And the sound is O. I'll take it again. O. Let's make the sound together. O. Good. And our second sound for today is a long vowel sound. The sound is O. I'll take it again. O. Now one more time together. O. Good job, everybody. And if you didn't get it right, don't feel bad. Keep practicing and you'll get it right. Now let's see the difference between both sounds. O. 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 Now the sound O is often heard in words with letter O. Lost, box, dog, got, wrong. Other words examples you have cough, sausage, because, watch, and many more words that you can mention on your own. Now for a long sound, O. It's often heard in words with OR. Words with OR. Cord, corn, Lord, horn. It is also heard in words with double OR. Door, paw, floor. It is also heard in words with AL. Talk, small, chalk. You can also hear it in words with AW. Saw, draw, law. Other words examples you have water, sword, for, bought, and many more words as you can mention on your own. Now we will be comparing some words side by side for both sounds that can be very confusing when we pronounce them. Spots, sport, pot, port, cot, court. Our sentences for today are: that's the spot for the sport. Draw a dog on the box. The small door has a clock. You don't walk and talk. There are 4 swords in the water. And many more sentences, examples that you can make on your own. Now always remember, the best way to speak right is by applying your diction. And so we've come to the end of our lesson today. Thank you for your time.